Ladies and gentlemen, Joshua Salvetti, and welcome back to another lesson of the High Performance Trader. So today it is my goal to bring value to the retail trader, right? And to really help all traders, beginners, experience, doesn't matter, really help to understand what it takes to become consistent, right? A lot of traders think they need to be right 90% of the time. A lot of traders think they're missing something. A lot of traders think they have to become better market analyses, right? Like really learn to understand what's going to happen in the future, right? So many traders are constantly trying to predict the markets, and in reality, that's crushing them. So today, in this lesson, I really want to break down the importance of programming your mind in the correct way, right? And why following your process has so much value, right? Because you can literally show up to the market, you could put on trades, you could get lucky, and in reality, that is crippling your mentality. That's crippling your self-confidence, and it's actually distorting any chance that you have at reaching consistency, right? So before we go any further, guys, if you want to get involved with me, with my team, and really push yourself to become the top 5% in this industry, click the link below. I'm doing one-on-ones. I'm doing everything that I can, right, to bring as much value to me, my team, and my Discord, right? It's my goal to make sure everybody on my team is consistently profitable and is putting in the work, the correct work, identifying the correct characteristics, the correct traits, right? The rational beliefs that you need to consistently get in and out of the market, right? Everybody knows I go extremely hard and extensive on understanding the market auction and actually understanding which beliefs and behaviors are making me become successful, right? Once again, you can get very lucky in this game. It is an extremely unstructured environment, right? And unless you understand what you're doing correctly and what you're doing incorrectly, you're never going to become consistent. What do I mean by that? So there's plenty of opportunities that go into a trade. There's plenty of opportunities that present themselves to us each and every single day, right? And I'm not sitting here saying my strategy is the only and most perfect way to trade. But what I am saying is it is extremely important that you learn to identify when you're getting lucky and when you're actually following your process. Now, to do this, right, and to even understand or comprehend what I'm talking about, you must first understand what a process is, right? So the way I like to break it down is the way that I trade, right? I have a very simple, strategic process, highly effective, right? That is literally two words: identify, adapt, right? Identify market conditions and adapt to them. That is my process. That is my edge, right? Obviously, there's a little bit more that goes into that. So to first identify the market conditions, you must identify critical levels, right? Those critical levels are supply, their demand, their high, low, open, close on a daily time frame, right? I'm an intraday trader, so I'm looking to trade off areas with extreme volume, right? And these areas tend to be end of day, open, high, low, right? So what I do and what my process entails of is understanding that I can't move the market. Banks, institutions, large money, smart money, they move the market. I'm just a little fish on the back of a great white shark in this ocean, right? So for me to eat consistently, I need to be able to understand via candlestick analysis and critical levels in chart patterns what large money is doing. I'm not here to predict what they're doing. I don't care how the economy is. I don't care what any fundamental catalyst unless it's providing a lot of volume. My main goal entirely is to understand objectively who is in control of the market right now. Only thing that matters is now, right? The power of now is literally my edge, right? I need to be able to look at a chart, right, like this, and go, hey, we have just opened below a very critical level, right? So this level over here at 446.48 is what we will call demand. Why is it demand? Because buyers defended it tons of times, right? So let's just map this out. Buyers show up here and they defend this level over and over, right? Now, with us opening like this, we are opening below a critical level. If that buyer isn't there anymore, that means sellers are stronger, right? See where I'm going here? This is how I identify market conditions. We're opening below a critical level. I'm not looking to go long here. Until we hold 44648, I'm not going for a long, right? We start rejecting it. Once, twice, 3 times. Come down. Let's identify the open, right? Second critical level, the open. Opens at 44614. We come up for the retest. We enter the trade short, right? Notice here, I am identifying a trade based on market conditions. I'm adapting to sellers. I've identified that large money is in control of the market via bearish, right? They're selling, and I want to trade with them, right? I do this through identifying a critical level, identifying the volume, identifying the candle, and then trading accordingly via break and retest. Why do I trade the break and retest? Because the risk to reward is phenomenal, right? So we enter the trade short. Price starts to rip up. Am I concerned? Absolutely not. I understand that the market's going to move its own way entirely. I'm not here to figure all that out. I don't need a perfect move. I need an entry and I need a target. What's my target? Previous day low. What's previous day low? 44401, right? So price rallies right into another critical level, which was a break and retest, right? You could even add to this trade at this point because sellers are still in control of the market. This is how we trade with market conditions. I could have just as easily took this trade to the upside if we held 44648, but we did not. So since we didn't, I then traded accordingly, targeting the downside, right? So this is how you become a consistent trader. Notice how I'm trading a process. I have a niche. I have an edge, right? My edge is understanding that I need banks to take control of the market before I make any move, right? Because how it works is for banks to make their move, they need the liquidity. They can't just sell and make money. They need to sell when small money, our retail, are buying, right? They need someone to take the other end of their trades. They need someone to extract money out of. See, me and you, we extract money out of big money, like little bits or other retail traders. Big money needs to extract money out of pools of retail trader. So what they do is literally identify where retail traders going long, and then they reverse the situation, getting everyone to stomp out, and then they reverse it again. And that's why you'll constantly, enter a trade long, get stomped out, and then the trade will literally do exactly what you expected it to do. Anytime you're seeing that, that is big money, smart money, banks robbing you, right? So I used to get robbed all the time. I used to get caught in bull traps, bear traps constantly. And then I decided that large money is going to show their hand once a day. They're going to make a fool out of retail. And the people they're going to make a fool out of are the impatient, right? The irrational, and the traders that have no process, right? The trader that has no process, you are their prey, right? They want to take your money, and they have been taking your money for a long time, and they're going to continue to take your money, and they deserve to take your money until you change. Until you change your behaviors, until you develop a process, until you start sticking to your strategy, right? Which first, you must identify a strategy, right? You don't deserve to make money in this market. What does it mean to the traders that have been in this game for 5, 6, 7 years, that have been studying extensively, reading book after book, trading, losing, blowing up accounts? What does it mean to them if you could just come into this game and just, get some lucky trades and win forever? doesn't work that way. This game is literally life or death. That is how you need to see it. And you literally need to be able to put in that much work to become consistent, right? I've been trading for a long time, guys, and what I've realized here is that you get what you put into this, right? I've studied edges. I've failed miserably. I've spent my last dollar on a trading account and have blown it up. And until I was willing to change, nothing changed. Like, I know sometimes I go hard, I dig really deep into you guys, and it's because I care. I'm that passionate about it. I need you guys to understand this, and not all of you are going to. And that's just the reality of the situation. But the ones that are listening to what I'm saying and going, hey, I don't want to lose anymore, smash that link below. Get involved. Because I literally have built a team for traders who are fed up with losing, right? And the only way you're going to start winning is by changing your beliefs, your expectations, and your behaviors. And I've been there, right? So smash that link below. Get involved, right? Simple break and retest below critical level. This is how you want to trade each and every single day. This is how you're going to move forward to your dreams, to your goals, and become the trader that you've always wanted to become. I'm Joshua Salvetti. Smash that like, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next video.